Last time I was in this spot, this kitchen looked completely different. Welcome back, I'm Greg Dewar, broker and owner at Dewar Realty, and on this episode of Renovation Allocation, we're gonna find out if this renovation has added at least $50,000 in value to the home. So if you've watched episode 2 of my other series, Moving On Up, then you know we did a home evaluation for this property and it came in right around $640,000. Since then, over 3 months, the kitchen has been renovated, all the work is complete, and today I did another evaluation on this home. Right now, this home is worth at least $800,000 in today's market. Of course, some of that value has come from general price appreciation in the area, but I would say that there is at least $60,000 to $70,000 in price appreciation strictly from the renovations that the homeowner has completed. Right where I'm sitting now, there used to be a wall. So now the homeowner has the benefit of being able to enjoy their company while they're over for a dinner or hosting a holiday event. This kitchen now has 100% more functionality and is much more useful for the homeowner. Every single thing that they've done here has tremendously impacted the function and use of the kitchen. So if you've watched our previous episodes of Renovation Allocation, then you know that this renovation took about 2 months to complete and cost $35,000. The benefits that the homeowners have realized are huge, both with increased value and the function of their main floor. So now that the renovation is complete, the homeowners do have a few options. Since the home value has gone up tremendously during the period of the renovation, they could either cash out and sell the home and realize their total gain. They could put a mortgage or a home equity line of credit on the property. That way they can take the cash that they put into the renovation out since interest rates are so low. And third, they can simply enjoy their new kitchen. Thanks for joining us today on this episode of Renovation Allocation. And if you like what you saw today, please remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos on home renovations. And if you're a homeowner who's been thinking about improving the value of their home through renovations, then somewhere right in this area here, you'll be able to find more great videos on how to improve the value of your home through renovations.